I'm 18 years old. I need 1 week's time to engage another counsel to get a seat in the government medical college for MBBS. Actually, I have been allotted a category in the OBC GS. I have filled the category OBC GS, government school quota. So, but I've been not given in that category. I've been given a seat in the OBC open category in the Suksagar Medical College. But I upgraded in mop-up round for another government college seat through the URGS category because they have given in this category they have given lower marks than me a seat. At 214 marks, they have given Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Medical College, Jabalpur, in the URGS category. So I pleaded in this court to change my category to URGS so that I get a government medical college seat. Actually, from this court only an order has been passed of Muskan Khan. She was also OBCS category, but she was converted into URGS. And she has been got a seat in the Gwalior Medical College.
That has been finally decided and not to be treated as a precedent. And so the peculiar facts and circumstances of that case, Your Lordship, that seat was allotted to in that case. Here, Your Lordship, what has happened is that she had applied in the GS category, although she has not submitted documents to establish that she belongs to that category. There are requirements as per the amendment which provide for twofold eligibility criteria that she is not established in the petition. Insofar as she has already been allotted a seat at Suksagar Medical College, but for upgrade, that's a private college. For upgradation in a government college, she applied and she filed this petition for considering her name for that particular government college. Now there were only two seats. One was allotted in pursuance to the order passed by this Hon'ble court, and the other seat, Your Lordship, has gone to a URGS category candidate who has achieved more marks than the petitioner in the mop-up round. Now the mop-up round is over. The CLC round is going on now. Now the entire process is over. In fact, now there are no more government seats insofar as this concerned. She is not qualified. The mop-up round is over. In the unreserved category, she would not qualify for because there is one in the mop-up round. There is one person. We filed a reply in Annexure R1. We stated there is one person who's above her who's already been allotted that seat. That one seat that was.
Yes, sir, I've seen that, but the order passed by the Honorable High Court stating Muskan Khan, she has scored much less marks than me. She has scored only 359 marks and I have scored 472 marks. So, 472 marks.
URGS candidate has scored 491.
But sir, I need a government medical college seat because I cannot afford the fees of private medical college. Actually, I want a government medical college seat just because I cannot afford the hostel fees of the Suksagar Medical College. I agree, sir.
She had already been allotted a seat at that time.
I agree, sir, but the merit also has some point at the time. No, sir, she was not. Actually, she she filed a case before the High Court. She was the only person under the URGS category, which was ordered by the Honorable High Court. But she is a candidate of the OBCGS category. On the merit, she was allotted the URGS category. So I should also be allotted the URGS.
With block election, there are judgments that block. There are judgments also that cannot be turned back. Once these admissions are, at that time she was not in the foray. That's she's not in the foray. There were no other candidates who came to the department contending that we are more meritorious or otherwise. Had there been such a, considered only her because at that time there were no other persons in the URGS category who were contending along with the petitioner. Now here there is, because these seats are now open again for the URGS category, because at that time they were converted to UR open. Now here in the mop-up round it was again it was taken back to the URGS category. In that foray now there is one person who's more, because that process is redone in every round of counseling. So
So I agree that nobody else was there. I agree nobody else was there, but I think I should also get a government medical college seat if she has got a seat. So still a college level round is left.
Well, I have to seek instructions because the CLC round is going on. Here, Your Lordship, all the seats are thrown open to all the candidates on the basis of merit. So now there are no category restrictions. If she wants, but that would be decided as per merit. A real time merit is shown in the CLC round, that is the college level counseling round, and the candidates have to approach the colleges as per their merit shown in the real time online portal.
The next week, please. The next week will be appropriate for me. Yes. Yes, got you.